In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust columns in QuickBooks Online Advanced Reports. Whether you're working on a standard report template or a customized saved report, organizing your data in a clear and meaningful way is key to making informed decisions. In this tutorial, we'll go step by step through the process of adjusting and customizing columns in QuickBooks Online Advanced Reports so you can create layouts that work best for your business needs. If you're new to QuickBooks Online Advanced, you'll find a link in the description to sign up for an account and get started. Let's dive right in. First, start by running the report you want to adjust. This could be any type of report, one from the standard templates provided by QuickBooks, or even a custom report you've previously saved. Selecting the right report is important because it sets the foundation for all the adjustments you're about to make. Once your report is open, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on Display. This is where you can control how the columns in your report are separated and viewed. Choosing the right display setting is crucial as it determines how your data is organized across the page, making it easier to analyze. Now, you'll need to select the criteria for the column separation here. You have plenty of options to choose from, such as organizing your data by month, quarter, year, customer, vendor, product, service, location, or class. Think about the specific question you're trying to answer with this report. For example, if you want to compare performance over time, you might choose to separate columns by month or quarter. On the other hand, if you're analyzing data by customer or location, those filters might be more appropriate. After making your choice, you'll notice the report refreshes automatically, reorganizing the columns based on your selection. This gives you a clear side-by-side view of your data, tailored to your needs. Next, let's move on to customizing the columns in your report. Again, head to the top right corner of your screen, but this time, click on Columns. This setting allows you to control exactly which types of columns appear in the report, giving you full flexibility to include or exclude the data points that matter most. Here's how it works. You'll see a list of fields with checkboxes next to them. Simply check the boxes for the columns you want to include in your report. For instance, if you want to add fields like income, expense, or net profit, just check those options, and they'll appear in the report layout. If there are fields you don't find helpful or relevant, uncheck them to remove them. This helps keep your report clean and focused, and don't worry. Any changes you make will update the report in real time, so you can immediately see the effect of your choices. As you're customizing, it's important to keep your report clear and readable. Too many columns can make the layout overwhelming, so try to focus on the specific question you're trying to answer. A good strategy is to start with a broader view, including multiple fields, and then gradually narrow it down by unchecking fields until the report feels organized and easy to interpret. Now, if something doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can always return to the display option and adjust how the columns are separated. For example, if separating by month doesn't give you the clarity you need, you can switch to another option like customer or location to better align the data with your analysis. And if further refinements are needed, head back to the columns option. You can fine-tune which fields are included to ensure your report is as clear and useful as possible. Remember, the goal is to create a report that supports your analysis and helps you make well-informed decisions. By following these steps, you'll be able to confidently adjust and customize columns in QuickBooks Online Advanced Reports to suit your unique needs. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.